Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Settings and tap Privacy, then tap Location Services to enable it. Make sure Location Services is switched on at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down to Maps and set permission to while using the app for navigation. Toggle Precise Location on to improve accuracy, typically to within 5 to 10 meters. If you prefer, allow Always Only for trusted navigation apps to run in the background. Confirm iPhone 11 has iOS 14 or later for current GPS behavior and privacy controls. Open Apple Maps and enter an address or business name in the search bar. Tap an item in Results, then tap Directions to prepare a route. Choose driving, walking, or transit depending on your trip and time. Tap Go to start active navigation with turn-by-turn voice guidance and on-screen arrows. You can pinch to zoom the map or rotate with 2 fingers for a better view. For hands-free driving, connect to Bluetooth and use voice commands through Siri to start navigation safely. Enable low power mode to extend battery during long navigation, but expect slightly reduced GPS responsiveness. Keep Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on to improve location accuracy, since assisted GPS uses nearby networks and devices. Disable background app refresh for non-essential apps to save power while maintaining Maps performance. Reduce screen brightness and use CarPlay or a mount to avoid tapping the phone while driving. Charge your iPhone 11 to at least 20%.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.